Okay, so this video is an explanation of the average rate of change animator. And the way this works is, here in this line here, you can enter any function that you want. Right now I have cosine x plus 2, but that could be changed. And what it does is it shows a secant line through the curve whose slope is representing the average rate of change between the starting point and a point h units to the right. And that starting point can be changed by n. So right now n is -4, and that's the value of x for the starting point, which is n. And so I can increase, if I increase n, and it increases the value of x for which the interval starts, the interval in question. And then also the length of the interval h can be changed by this slider up here. So if I change the value of h, it likewise changes the length of the interval and graphs the corresponding secant line for the given, the current value of x, which is by n, and the current value of h, which is manipulated by this slider up here. Okay, so the elements that you have to have here are the function graphed, which I'm showing blue, the secant line, which I'm showing in red, this point, which is the starting point of the interval. You want to show that starting point of the interval, and then you want to show this descriptor down here, which is marking off the interval length h. That always shows the current interval width whose value is h. Okay, I've given you one line here, which is up to you to decipher and understand and use yourself. And that's all working correctly, which changes, let's see, let's make a smaller interval width there, so you can change h, you can change x, which changes the starting value of the interval. And you can change the function, so I'll come up here and I'll do the function, say, negative 1/5 x squared plus 1. So as soon as I change the function, now that changes the function in question, and everything works the same way. And so then the secant line and this little visual here and the point all change according to what the function is, the starting x value is, which is the n slider, and what the width of the interval is, h. Okay, if you have questions, then don't hesitate to email me, but hopefully I've answered all the questions in this video. Okay, good luck.